Hi everybody, welcome to the video, and I'm super excited to show you what I've got today. My early birthday present came in the mail. It's my birthday gift to me. I'm so happy. Having an Cusco-topia moment, except for this isn't a summer getaway. It's more like Kylie Cosmetics summer collection of Under the Sea, and I'm super excited because it finally came in the mail today, and I'm just barely opening it. So, gonna do that whole unboxing thing. So pretty already, and look, it's got her name in it. That's cool. I just saw this being pink, and I just had a Legally Blonde one where it's like, yeah, pink, and it's scented. Gives it a little something extra, don't you think? Oh, and it even comes with that personalized note that you see from everybody that posts with their Kylie Cosmetics. Love it. Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh, that is so pretty. Beautiful packaging, I love it. Now, finally to reveal what and I'm seeing these for the first time too. Oh, I'm so excited, so excited, so excited. Now to reveal what I got. So first, this is one of the Shimmer eye glazes. Very excited about this. This one's Aqua Mama. Pretty sure this is the more turquoise one, so I'm excited to see how this looks. Can't get it open. I gotta see it. I can't even open it. Fine, let's first open up the palette. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those gorgeous colors. I'm super excited about Seashell Kisses and Salty Sweet and oh, Boss Beach, that'll be pretty. I'm gonna have to challenge myself to use Mermaid Mama because colored eyeshadows aren't always professional and I like to be professional where I work. Abandoned Ship, that would be a fun color to try out. So I'm very excited about these. Be Pacific. Oh, the palette's beautiful, just like I was hoping it would be. It's like Christmas for me, except for it's my birthday, so that's even cooler. Keep it in pristine condition until I use it. Let's try this again. Ha! I got it! What? Oh, that's cool. Ooh, cool. It's got this little cap thing on top of it, so you know it's like, oh, wow. Is beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. This feels so smooth. It's so fun to feel it. It's not plastic, it is glass. There goes that nail polish. Oh, this one is the shade Night Swim. This is one that I've really been excited about. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I'm so excited to swatch the Deep Sea Dreams. Oh. Oh my goodness, this has a gorgeous pink hue to it. I could probably wear this in everyday life. Like, it's not as bold and hot pink as I was expecting. It's a lot more subtle than that. I like that. Ocean Child, I think this is one that I'm really excited about. Yeah, I can kiss this nail polish goodbye. Yeah, this is the one I was the most excited about. Oh, look at that gold. Oh, that is gorgeous. Fun fact, I don't like gold jewelry, but amazingly enough, gold is really well with my skin tone because I need the more warmer tones, warmer hues, because for me, when I look at my skin, like you can kind of tell which colors work better for your skin tone, and mine is more warm because when I look at my veins, they have more like a greenish hue. Means I need some more golden tones. So gold looks really good. Since I have these, I should probably swatch them since I've been super excited to have these for so long. I've had my eye on them for so long. It only makes sense that I swatch them. So I'm going to do that, and I've luckily got some napkins here just in case I need them for cleaning off my fingers. And first I'm going to swatch the palette, the Under the Sea palette. So I'm going to get it back out of its package. And the first one I'm going to swatch is called Sea Pearl. I'm excited to see how these look on my skin tone. So getting some of that. Just a little bit, don't want to use too much of it. Oh my, that's beautiful. But trust me, it's pretty. It really is pretty. Next is called Welcome Aboard. That one's pretty too. These would probably show up more if I had a primer on, which I don't right now. That's totally fine. I like seeing these naturally too to see how well the pigment comes out. Ooh, and this one is Salty Sweet. Oh my goodness, her shimmers. Oh, I love this formula. It is gorgeous. Boss Beach. Okay. These are all quite beautiful. Sure About You. I love the beach names. That's fantastic. Well, that's good. And I've heard that with Kylie Cosmetics, sometimes what you need to do is you need to layer with them to get them the potency that you want. But even with the first layer, that's still looking pretty good because I'm not one for making it super bold on my makeup. I like to make it look more natural based. My treasure. Oh, that's pretty. Abandoned Ship. That one's pretty too. Ooh, Seashell Kisses. This is a golden one. Like a brownish gold. Oh, hello. And this is one of the pressed ones. See how glittery that is? It's so sparkly. Mermaid Mama. Oh, that's cool. That one's really pretty. Definitely mermaid material right there. Can I Help You? I love these names. There, that one. I think these are the pressed shimmers. Look at the pigment of that. Like everywhere you look, it just shimmers. Hook You In. Oh, that one's right there. That one's really pretty. I can see a lot of these are really good transition colors, in my opinion. Be Pacific, the green one that I'm gonna have to figure out how to best use. That's pretty. That is a really pretty pigment, really pretty hue. So I just swatched the Kylie Under the Sea palette. I'm so excited to use this. Maybe I'll use it tomorrow if I wake up with time enough in the morning. That's the real thing. Now let's swatch the shimmers. First, getting started with Aqua Mama. Probably gonna have to do these ones like clear up here. Didn't leave a lot of room for them. Ooh, I didn't even have to use that much. Boom. Oh, do you see that shimmer that just got on there? Like, wow. I can't even get the camera to do that justice. That looks good. And we have Deep Sea Dreams. It's so soft too. Oh my. It's really hard for you to see that. But oh, trust me, you can just see it sparkle. All right, I think I'm gonna put these ones more up here so you can see them. Night Swim. Oh, okay. Yeah, you see that one right there. That's pretty. Lastly is what I'm sure to be my soon-to-be favorite, Ocean Child. It'll take a lot of restraint not to use this every day. I can already see that being a problem. Oh. Oh, it's so pretty. Just look at that shimmer. And they're all still, like, look at that. They're still shimmering so beautifully. Arms are so awkward. I'm trying to get all of it to show. Like Miss America. Hello. Look at the swatches on my arm. Anyways, I'm very excited to use these. So soon I will be posting future videos and tutorials of me wearing these products and maybe giving some tips and tricks of things that worked for me while I wear them, because I have been waiting for so long to get these products. I'm so excited to share with you how much I'm loving them and how much I am excited to use them. I think you've already picked up on that. I had to wait a little while before I bought them because I'm fairly frugal. I don't like to get some makeup that's really high-end until it gets to a reasonable price. And when Kylie had her end of summer collection sale, it was 25% off, and I was like, okay, there's probably not going to be much better sale than that. I am jumping on that. So I did, got 25% off, and it was amazing. However, I will post some future videos of any other like deal places to go and get makeup. I usually like to wait till Black Friday, or sometimes I'll go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx or Ross to find some, because sometimes they have some pretty good products in their areas. And they're really good price and really good value too. You can also go to Ulta and find the clearance section. Love that place. I've gotten a lot of makeup and even a lot of hair products from that area. So makeup on a dime tip right there for you. Anyways, if you are interested in seeing those future videos, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and thank you so much for coming. Hope you have a great day.